everyone and welcome back. What we have today is a 2015 Range Rover Evoque. As you know, we work on mechanical and bodywork repairs. So let's go see what's going on with the vehicle. The customer came in because the door would not open or unlock with the key fob. Therefore, after further inspection, we realized that the door latch assembly needed to be replaced because it was faulty. The assembly refers to the motor that controls the lock buttons. So, we changed the assembly, aka the motor, and replaced the actual door latch. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.